All right, here's a hydroponics. After putting it together for growing your own plants in your backyard. Pretty simple. I just used a bucket to get the water in and out. All right, so this could be with an aquarium. So if you have an aquarium, the water could go in, gets cleaned up by the fishes, goes back out, or it could be the fish water, right? The droppings to give the actual aquarium, the aquaponics, more nutrients. Now, I'm going to show you a little bit more how in depth it works. You can see it moving. Now they do have these are going to be growing the plants, all right? And you could actually see the water through every single one going through. If you guys can see that, look at that. Really good. So really solid. We're going to see if this thing works. We're going to grow some plants. So let me show you how it works, right? You do have a timer here. You could set up the timer in here. It says set, all right? You could do a couple hours through the day or offset, or it could be on all the time. It could be removed and turned on 24/7. Here's the actual bucket where everything comes out. This is where it drains, and in the bottom is the suction, if you guys can see it, and it just cycles the water. You can see every single little section. We're going to put our seeds in here, and this thing goes in every single one that you see in here, and this is included with it. Seeds are not included with it, but all you got to do is come in here and refill the bucket and let this thing run 24/7 if you want, all day. Putting it together was the easiest thing that I ever put together. They give you the hammer, and watch out for leaks. Like right now, I see some leaks right now. We're gonna go ahead and fix those right now. But it's very simple. If you find any leaks anywhere, like here for example, it is leaking right there, we're gonna hammer it because I didn't hammer some of the parts. All right, after hammering it, look, it just fixed the leak right now. And there is a line where you have to have it through, but look at this, beautiful. We're gonna grow some cabbage, maybe some strawberries, add some more water in here and let it run through the whole day. Now the actual cable, the plug, is not waterproof, so just to be aware that you're gonna need to put it somewhere where it's waterproof. All right, the cable itself to power it up. But you guys can see the pump is waterproof. It's working very well. It's going to cycle the water. It's going to clean the water, and we're going to let it run for an entire day. Start planting tomorrow until we get the cycle ready. And if you guys are looking to grow your own garden, but you don't have a place like a ground place to put any soil or anything like that, and you want to grow like the certain things like cabbage, strawberries, and other things that can grow out of here, this is the perfect way. So we're gonna put it together. We're gonna add some more water, some fertilizer on the water, run the whole cycle. And then the best thing about it, if you guys notice something, there's emptiness, because that means you could layer these up. And right here we're gonna keep them out in the sun, but I might put them in the shade too, with some sun, some natural light. I'm in California, so this is perfect. But if you're gonna do this indoors, you can do this too, as long as you have the right lighting and the white and the light. Not only the lighting, but you also do need some wind too, some propellers, maybe some fans. But here is natural. We're gonna run the water 24/7 and see how it works. So if you want a garden, this is a perfect way to start. Easy solution. If you don't have a lot of space, very small, petite, couple cabbage, carrots, other stuff that you can grow out of water. I hope you guys enjoy the video.